Imagine holding the world in your hands every time you step onto the pitch. That was the reality for Brian Lara, the Prince of Port of Spain, whose bat spoke louder than words, and whose records still echo through the halls of cricket history. From jaw-dropping innings that left crowds speechless to a legacy that redefined West Indies cricket, Lara's journey is nothing short of legendary. But beyond the boundary lines, there's another side to this icon, a life of luxury, style, and success. In this video, we'll explore the gorgeous home, flashy car collection, and impressive net worth that comes with greatness. Get ready to enter the world of a true sports legend. Brian Lara, a legendary figure in international cricket, has built an impressive net worth of $60 million, thanks to a combination of athletic excellence and strategic business moves. Widely celebrated for his time with the West Indies cricket team from 1990 to 2007, Lara earned considerable sums through match fees, central contracts, and performance bonuses. His historic achievements on the field, most notably his unbeaten 400 in a test match and a staggering 501 in first-class cricket, cemented his status as a cricketing icon and helped attract lucrative opportunities off the field. Capitalizing on his fame, Lara became a sought-after figure for endorsements, partnering with brands like Joe Blogg's Jeans, and later aligning with the Chittagong Kings in the Bangladesh Premier League as a brand ambassador. Even after his retirement from professional play, Lara stayed closely connected to the sport. He transitioned into broadcasting and coaching, securing high-profile roles such as a commentator for the Indian Premier League's dugout panel, where he reportedly earns around $600,000 annually. In 2021, he added another title to his resume, batting coach and strategic advisor for the IPL's Sunrisers Hyderabad, continuing to grow his legacy and financial portfolio within the game he helped define. Brian Charles Lara, born on May 2nd, 1969, in Santa Cruz, Trinidad and Tobago, grew up as the 10th of 11 children in a supportive and cricket-loving family. From a young age, Lara's passion for the sport was clear, and his father, Bunty Lara, played a crucial role in nurturing that talent by enrolling him in the Harvard coaching clinic at just 6 years old. Raised in the vibrant community of Cantaro Village, Lara's natural flair for batting quickly stood out among his peers. He attended St. Joseph's Roman Catholic Primary School before moving on to Fatima College, one of Port of Spain's respected institutions, where he received structured cricket training under coach Harry Ramdas. By age 14, Lara had already made headlines, scoring 745 runs in the Schoolboys League with a remarkable average. His rise in competitive cricket was swift. At 15, he was already representing Trinidad and Tobago in the national under-19 team, and by 18, he made his first-class debut with a promising 92-run performance against Barbados. Lara's leadership skills shone early as he captained the West Indies youth team at the Under-19 World Cup, scoring a century against England. He broke into the senior West Indies team with his ODI debut against Pakistan and played his first test match in December 1990 in Lahore. Though his initial international outings were modest, Lara's breakthrough came with a masterful 277 against Australia in Sydney, an innings that announced his arrival on the world stage. Lara continued to etch his name into cricket history with monumental performances. In 1994, he broke Sir Garfield Sober's long-standing record by scoring 375 against England in Antigua, showcasing his unmatched skill and concentration. Despite a rocky tenure as West Indies captain during a period of team decline, Lara's individual brilliance never waned. His unforgettable 153 not out against Australia in 1999 remains one of the greatest test innings ever played. In 2004, he made history once again, reclaiming the world record with an unbeaten 400, still the highest individual score in Test cricket. After retiring from international cricket in April 2007, following the ICC Cricket World Cup, Lara seamlessly transitioned into broadcasting and coaching. He became a familiar voice in cricket commentary, particularly in the Indian Premier League, and in December 2021, he took on the role of batting coach and strategic advisor for Sunrisers Hyderabad. Today, Lara continues to influence the game, guiding the next generation with the same passion and insight that defined his remarkable career. Brian Lara is earning millions of dollars and climbing the list of richest cricketers in international cricket. So Brian can now live a very lavish life. Mansion in Port of Spain, Trinidad. After a successful career that saw him break records and capture the hearts of fans worldwide, Lara's choice of residence reflects his elite status and appreciation for comfort, luxury, and style. Perched on a private hill, nestled between the vibrant landscape of Trinidad and the stunning expanse of the Atlantic Ocean, the property is as exceptional as the man himself. From the moment you approach the property, it is clear that this is no ordinary house. Set in an exclusive, serene location, the home enjoys unrivaled privacy while providing sweeping views of the surrounding natural beauty. The design of the residence perfectly blends modern aesthetics with timeless elegance, creating a space that is both luxurious and welcoming. Its proximity to the ocean means the sound of gentle waves provides a constant, soothing backdrop to everyday life. Yet, it is not only the setting that makes this home a masterpiece. It is the thoughtfully designed features that set it apart. The residence consists of a spacious main house, which is divided into several distinct areas that offer both comfort and sophistication. One of the most inviting features of the home is its 5 unique bedrooms. Each room has been carefully designed to reflect its own distinct character, offering a personalized atmosphere for rest and relaxation. The layout of the house ensures that every room provides a private retreat, designed to cater to the comfort and peace of its occupants. Whether you are a guest or a resident, these bedrooms provide the perfect sanctuary, allowing you to unwind after a long day or enjoy a quiet moment of reflection. The heart of the home is its expansive living space, which serves as a central hub for the family and guests. The main area is thoughtfully laid out to provide a sense of openness and connection, featuring a cozy fireplace that adds warmth to the atmosphere. Whether it's the long, hot summer days or the cooler, more peaceful winter nights, this living space offers a versatile environment for both relaxation and entertaining. The warmth of the fire, the generous seating areas, and the natural light pouring in from the windows make this space a perfect gathering spot where friends and family can come together, share stories, and enjoy each other's company. For those who love to cook, the kitchen in Lara's home is nothing short of a dream. Designed for both practicality and inspiration, this fully equipped kitchen invites its users to experiment with ingredients and flavors. With state-of-the-art appliances, plenty of counter space, and a design that maximizes both functionality and style, the kitchen is truly the heart of the home. It's a space where cooking becomes more than just a task. It becomes an experience to enjoy and share. No home of this caliber would be complete without a spa area, and Lara's residence boasts an impressive one. The spa is an oasis of relaxation, offering a sauna, hot tub, and massage room, all designed to promote wellness and tranquility. This area is seamlessly connected to a professional-grade gym, which allows Lara, his family, and guests to stay fit and active without leaving the comfort of the property. The fusion of luxury and fitness in this space perfectly encapsulates the lifestyle of someone who understands the importance of balance maintaining both physical health and mental relaxation. Perhaps one of the most striking features of the estate is the expansive 54 square meter swimming pool. Positioned in front of the main outdoor dining area, the pool serves as both a visual centerpiece and a refreshing retreat. Its inviting waters provide the perfect place to cool off under the Caribbean sun, or to simply lounge poolside while enjoying the spectacular views of the surrounding landscape. Whether you're taking a dip or reclining by the edge, the pool area offers a serene and peaceful environment to bask in the sun or enjoy a quiet evening under the stars. In every detail, from the expertly crafted design to the thoughtful selection of amenities, Brian Lara's home exemplifies a life of luxury. It is a place where one can relax, entertain, and indulge in the finest aspects of life. Cars. In an interview with the New York Times, Lara opened up about his love for automobiles. Among the cars in his collection are a sleek BMW 2 Series convertible, valued at around $53,000. The BMW 2 Series convertible is a compact luxury car that blends sporty handling with everyday practicality. Its interior is well designed, offering a clean and modern look. High-quality materials are used throughout the cabin, including soft touch plastics, brushed aluminum accents, and optional leather seating. While the back seats are best suited for short trips or smaller passengers, they still provide more room than one might expect in a convertible. While Lara didn't specify the exact model of his Mercedes, a vehicle in the $70,000 range suggests he might own a model like the Mercedes-Benz E-Class Coupe or convertible. These cars are known for their elegant design and luxurious interiors. Step inside and you're welcomed by soft leather seats, natural wood trims, and ambient lighting that creates a calm and premium atmosphere. It's sleek, intuitive, and packed with advanced features like navigation, voice control, and smartphone integration. Together, they show that for Lara, driving isn't just about getting from one place to another. It's about the experience. Philanthropy. Beyond breaking records and entertaining fans with his batting brilliance, Lara has dedicated much of his success to helping others. His commitment to giving back is most visible through the Pearl and Bunty Lara Foundation, a charitable organization he established in memory of his parents. The foundation focuses on addressing key health and social care challenges, particularly in underserved communities. Lara's passion for service extends to his role as the sports ambassador for the Republic of Trinidad, a position of great national pride. As part of his duties, he travels internationally using a diplomatic passport to represent his country, promote its culture, and foster goodwill. His influence isn't limited by borders or beliefs. In 2013, he participated in a charity cricket match in India to raise funds for victims of devastating floods in Uttarakhand. Despite being a Christian, Lara has always demonstrated deep respect for all faiths, showing his belief that humanity comes first. In addition to supporting humanitarian efforts, Lara has played a pivotal role in sports development. One of his most significant contributions came through a charity cricket tournament that raised an impressive $44 million to build a state-of-the-art cricket stadium. As one of the wealthiest cricketers in the world, Lara uses his platform not only to inspire, but also to uplift those in need. Personal life. Brian Lara has had a personal life that's garnered some attention, though he tends to keep it relatively private compared to his cricketing exploits. He has never been officially married, despite occasional rumors or assumptions in the media. His most significant long-term relationship was with Liesl Revedas, a Trinidadian journalist and model. While they were together for many years and often referred to as partners, there's no evidence they tied the knot. Together, they have two daughters, Sydney, born in 1996, named after Lara's favorite cricket ground, the Sydney Cricket Ground, and Tyla, born in 2010. Lara and Rovedas eventually parted ways, but they maintain a cordial relationship, co-parenting their daughters. Sydney turned 25 in September 2021, a milestone Lara celebrated publicly, showing his affection as a father. After his split from Rovedas, Lara was linked to Jamie Bowers, a former Miss Scotland, starting around 2014. Bowers, significantly younger than Lara by about 20 years, met him through mutual friend Dwight York. She described him as mysterious, flirty, and fun in an interview, though their relationship status has remained low-key since the initial buzz, and it's unclear if they're still together as of 2025. Earlier in his life, Lara also dated British lingerie model Lindsay Ward around 2001, a relationship that made headlines after a publicized lovers' tiff involving a police report, though they reconciled briefly afterward. As for hobbies, Lara's interests extend beyond cricket. He's an avid golfer, often seen playing or discussing the sport, which he picked up as a way to unwind from cricket's pressures. He also enjoys football, both playing and watching, having been a talented junior player in Trinidad before focusing on cricket. Lara has mentioned a love for music and movies, and he's been spotted at social events in Port of Spain, reflecting his sociable side. Reading and surfing the internet have also been noted as pastimes, especially during periods of injury recovery in his career. His life off the field blends family devotion with a laid-back Caribbean flair, balancing his global fame with personal passions. Though his batting records have etched his name into cricket history, his personal world offers a rich and relatable story of love, growth, and simple joys. As we look back at his achievements, it's clear that Lara's legacy extends beyond cricket. He's a true symbol of success. If you enjoyed this glimpse into his life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating stories about your favorite sports legends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.